Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at how email campaigns are important for this journey of how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So we're going to go into detail of why email marketing is so important. Stay tuned because I hope this video is going to give you the valuable information that you asked for, and as well that it gives you added value in general. Okay, have a great day. Let's hop onto my computer and share with you more. All right, guys, here I am on my laptop, and before I go ahead and share with you more of the information that you asked for basically how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, this video, I like Wednesdays because these videos are mainly about me helping train you, but also documenting what I'm doing to see that it's not complicated. At the end of the day, you guys, it's a setup that is important, and then I'm going through different smaller elements to help you hone in your skills to get focused on those skill sets and actually improve. So I started this channel with documenting my journey with affiliate marketing. Firstly, to help pave the way for your dreams to come true with affiliate marketing. So if that's something that's interesting for you, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because I'm going to be posting many more videos every single week. And today specifically, just to give you guys a little bit of my schedule, the way I work is that step 1 is focused on Mondays and step 2 is divided into Wednesdays and Fridays. So 3 videos every single week is what I'm dedicating to you. So hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you that right now, and I'm not going to say it anymore because I wanted to actually go through the entire formula. So as I said, step 1 is a cash flow generating step, which is covered on Monday. So if you want to tune into that, you can check out the playlist below, see what it is. If you also want to follow along with me in this journey and actually use the skill sets that I'm talking about, then you can follow along with the playlist in the description, as well as know that my Facebook group is there, so you can always join there and get the support from me in terms of marketing. Guys, why do I talk about email marketing? Why am I talking about campaigns, the importance of campaigns? First and foremost, if you look at step 2, as I said, the whole sales process is divided into 2 main sections. One is the sales system in itself, which I spoke about last week or the week before that. I don't remember, but it's there. So you can check that out in the playlist below. And this week, I'm specifically talking about emails. Why am I talking about emails? Because there's a large section that I have done, which is basically automated. And I'm going to share with you why it's automated, how it can benefit you if you are doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle like myself. I do have a full-time job. I have a 9 to 5. I work that's my priority. And having email marketing or affiliate marketing on the side is definitely something that I want to make sure that I have automated so that it doesn't take much of my time. So the setup might take time, but then after that, I'm only focusing on one activity, which is traffic generation or advertising. That being said, the skill sets with affiliate marketing, I believe, are just 2 important skill sets. And if you focus on this as a newbie or even as an intermediate marketer, that's going to be beneficial for you. Then when you get to a higher level, it's ultimately just focusing on a couple of things to scale up your business because you already got those skill sets ready. So don't be scared to get started with marketing. That's what I want to share with you in this. I have got my successes, I've had my failures, and I've simplified the whole process, just like many other marketers out there, but I've simplified it to break it down into just these 2 steps. And in the second step, I believe that email marketing or copywriting in general for your sales process, for your emails, for everything that you do actually is very, very important. Now you can leverage tools like ChatGPT, you can leverage other, writing or AI software to write your email copy, but always find a voice for yourself. Always know how you want to address your audience or who do you want to attract first and foremost. So why are email campaigns first and foremost applicable to this whole process? Because I said I want to leverage my time. So if I have a campaign in place, what happens is I collect the lead. So basically my process is right here. I advertise. So these are the 2 skill sets, right? I'm advertising to a landing page, which is, let me show it to you. This is my landing page that I advertise to. The person enters their email address. Once they enter their email address, they get taken to the bridge page, which explains and gives them a little bit of an explanation of what I do, how to work the business, what is affiliate marketing in itself, the skill sets behind it, everything else. Then it goes to offer that I own and somebody buys it, and then I am definitely getting commission from that. That's the whole entire sales process. But remember, they have given me the email address. Now, when I receive the email address, what I personally do is I send up or I follow up with emails to that person. That is called a campaign. With my follow-up being automated, I'm creating a campaign that I don't have to personally send out the emails, but I'm scheduling it to do it. And I use a tool called systeme.io. Now, guys, this is an absolutely free tool. So if you really want to get a tool that, can build a funnel like this, have the emails in place, and much, much, much more, then the tool for this is going to be in the description. So the resource for systeme.io is in the description of this video. Check that out. You can click on the link. You can check it and get it for free. Or if you want to get the paid version, you're intermediate marketer, that's absolutely fine as well. I would suggest two things. One, get into my Facebook group. Two, you can get this tool with a $27 per month, or if you go for it annually, I think it's around $228 per year. I'm going to leave an annual link in case, because that's a discount of 30% there. So I'm going to leave an annual link in the description as well. You can choose whether you want to get started for free. I'm personally using it completely for free right now. I will be moving on to the paid plans, but for now, with systeme.io, I'm just focusing on getting my leads up to that $2,000 mark of everything. So when they come into my contacts, as you can see right here, there shows email. Newsletters are basically a broadcast that you send, and campaigns. Now in my campaign, I have 38 emails that are there. And as you can see, I created this in February this year. If I go through all the emails, you'll see that I have a very good open rate for my emails, and also my click-through rate is now starting to get more and more active as leads come in. Every single day there are leads going in. You can see throughout my email campaign, which is 38 days. So imagine it's around a month and a half basically of emails that people are getting, is all documented right here. There's a lot of data that I can see right here. But more than anything else, the reason is that it takes away leverages my time, because I have 38 days of email where I'm sharing multiple products, not just my first product. I'm talking to them definitely about this entire strategy. But what I'm doing on my email series, I'm giving them different offers that I own that could still help in this process. So if one offer is not generating a sale, then the second offer can generate the sale, or my traffic can generate the sale. So I'm making sure that I have affiliate marketing incorporated in every single element of what I'm doing. Writing a campaign, having a campaign allows me to leverage this. Does this convert? Yes, you need to have the enough information, or enough of, as you can see, people going through it, and then you'll start to find your conversion. So just to show you in Warrior Plus, these 2 sales in the last month of September were got from my email. That's a whole total of $96 in commissions from me, just from my email. So I didn't do anything. This is my automation worked for me, and I earned $96.62 in commissions. But also I made sales of $179.50. So this shows that my emails first and foremost are converting. The other thing that I wanted to show, if I go to transactions again and I just go system right here, so you see, just to show you, you'll see that there are system sales right here. This is going, the system is directly from my from the app. If you see the offers, actually it makes a big difference. So I can see that all these offers, the 2 right here, are got from the sales process. So as I said, remember, this is the sales process. They go through the bridge page, get the offer, and so on and so forth, right? So that's got from this offer. But if I look at the other offers right here, I can see they're all traffic offers. So this is the traffic sources that I'm using. People are buying, and I'm getting commissions on that. And these are all basically from my emails. These are not from my, let me repeat that again. All of these sales right here are from my emails. In my email campaign, basically I take them to a page. Let me just show you, give you guys an idea. Let me just show you. If you go right here to one of the emails and I click on this, no, sorry, not this email. This is another offer. Let's work on last chance. Let's use this. So you see, actually, let's go to the summary, because the summary will show you everything that I'm doing. So let's say that people go through the entire whole process and they go to the summary. They get this whole process that I'm talking to you guys about. They go through the step 1, step 2, and then they go also to, I believe, no, this is a YouTube video. traffic. Oh, sorry. Let me just go to traffic so that you get and understand the summary of traffic here. I have multiple emails on the same topic because it takes some time before people understand it. But let's go through traffic. So if you see right here and you click on this page, what happens is it goes to this page right here. Now this page, if I hover over, let me just scroll down. If I hover over this, you see that it says on the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see, actually, maybe you can't see, but this link right here, if I copy the link address and I just open it on a new tab, just to let you know, you will basically see that it shows Warrior Plus, everything, and then system at the end. So basically, it means that these traffic sources are tracked within the Warrior Plus whole setup. So if I go to Warrior Plus, you can see all of these offers are basically coming from my email because I don't share it anywhere else but my email. So my campaign is doing two things for me. It's automating this entire process via email. So I would have not made these $115.90 in the last, whatever, 30 days, right? And also, as you saw on email, I would have not made another 96. Sorry, I need to go to the beginning of the month because I think I got a sale initially. Go there and just show you the same time frame so that I'm not. So this is just to show you the same time frame. $125.25 on system, out of which only 2 sales, I believe, were from the main product. The others is all from traffic, so it's definitely from my emails. And then if I go from emails, you'll see another $96. So that's almost $200 in commissions just from all of this. Now remember, this is the beginning stage, but what I want to, it doesn't matter the amount of commissions, it matters how important this whole email campaign is. So when you have your copywriting in place and you have an email campaign set up, then it's easier for you to actually get through this whole process. Now, that's why I personally, in my Facebook group, share this email campaign completely for free to you, and you can then change your links and everything else, and this is how you can start to generate sales. But have a campaign in place. Affiliate marketing doesn't work otherwise. If you need to have an automation, and then you can have a very actual, face Zoom process or any kind of, one-to-one process, that's absolutely fine. But if you don't have a campaign in place, see the importance of this campaign. You want to leverage every single possibility that you can. And the beauty of it is that this tool is absolutely for free. So the links are in the description for all the resources. I hope this video gave you value, understood the logic why I personally created this. And at the end of the day, the setup is you create a landing page, you create a bridge page, and you create emails. That is it. Once this is done, you only focus on advertising. Email campaign is a huge part of my process. So this is why I wanted to make the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description. I will make other videos regarding it based on your questions, guys. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.